Good job out there.
That power's incredible!
It isn't over yet!
Power levels might be too high. So you're getting too bad interference.
He really does look like Frieza. It isn't over yet! It
How
isn't
in the
over
world did
yet!
he come back?
They use the Dragon Balls.
So, you're here at last. You did keep me waiting. At last, the hour of my revenge is at hand.
You really have changed, haven't you?
I changed colors to make it easier to understand.
You noticed me? This planet's Dragon Balls can grant 2 wishes. So, guess who's back? It's Cooler!
Who is that? He looks just like Frieza.
You weren't expecting this, were you?
I didn't come back empty-handed either. I have been reborn with new power! Come, today our family will stand astride the universe once more!
So you think we'll let that happen? Cactus! This one's mine to deal with. You can handle Frieza.
Thank you, Vegeta.
You're also capable of taking that form. Then you'll do as an opponent. But even the 2 of you have no chance of defeating me.
There's nothing in the universe we can't handle!
So this is a strawberry sundae? It seems to be using that ice cream stuff as a base.
And this is a fruit? It reminds me of Planet Man with giant frog brains. It's so cute.
It isn't over yet! It isn't over yet!
Serious?
It isn't over yet!
What is it?
Here in the monster! I'm Toa!
You call that trying? Focus! Focus!
This can't be!
It's over, Frieza!
Yes, for all of you!
Over here, quickly! Phew. That was a close one. We almost suffered the same horrible fate as the planet.
Oh dear. Was Earth destroyed?
Frieza did it, since he can survive in the vacuum of space.
I see. He can be a quick thinker, too.
Who cares about any of that? What happened to my cream puffs? I'm not going home on an empty stomach.
Oh, come on! It's not like like this is my fault. A woman named Toa is responsible for calling you here.
Toa hacked into the Time Nest communication system to call you out here, Lord Beerus. It seems Toa used some sort of device to impersonate the Supreme Kai of Time.
When Earth was destroyed in the correct history, Whis rewound time to restore it. But, since the two of you are here, you can't do that now. History has been changed.
It seems we fell for it this time, Lord Beerus.
Oh, that is it. No one tricks a god of destruction. Where is this Toa woman? I'll destroy her for good.
Sorry, but we're not exactly sure. But they are trying to change history, so if we fix those changes, then they might show up. Maybe.
Whis?
Understood. At once, my lord. We shall return to the true timeline. I shall begin rewinding time.
You only have a moment.
Yikes, that was close! It almost wiped out the entire planet! Thanks, you're the best!
You will not be getting another try at that little trick.
You did it! Earth is safe and sound. You're still in for more of Toa's tricks. Frieza and Cooler are still powered up. Go and help Goku and my dad.
This power will make beating the Saiyan 8 be a child's play.
That's right. Shall we get on with our revenge?
This time, I'll make sure you don't come back.
What a surprise! Their methods are, of course, but they're much stronger than before. Even Goku and Vegeta in their current states are time notice.
Yeah, I guess so.
Hey! Aren't you gonna help them?
The fight is a fight, and this one isn't mine to butt into. I'm only here for Toa, but I suppose I'll cheer them on.
It isn't over yet!
You'll regret it.
It isn't over yet!
This is the end of the line, Frieza!
No!
You're both finished! Make sure I never see you again! Spiteless life forms!
Well, well, you've got some good moves.
Thanks. You really helped out there.
And just who are you anyway? I'm guessing you're some random friend of Bulma's.
Come on, there's no need to pry. We should be grateful. I don't know. For some reason, this doesn't feel like the first time you've given me a hand. Anyway, if you ever need help with something, you can always count on me. You did great today.
That was a real mess, wasn't it? I'm glad it all worked out in the end.
It did not work out at all. Toa never showed up, did she? This is so annoying. I really need a bit of stress relief. Would you mind if I destroyed this place?
Please don't do that! Listen! Toki Toki has finally laid the egg! You can't go and disturb it now! You'll ruin everything!
Well, you certainly have a way with words, don't you?
Really? Toki Toki just laid an egg? That's cause for celebration. Lord Beerus, you are aware that I will not stand aside and let the egg be destroyed, correct? If you are in need of stress relief, perhaps imprisoning the Elder Kai would help. What do you think?
Oh, yes! If that's what it takes, please go right ahead!
Stop that! What are you saying? No one's going to allow that to happen.
How sad. It appears there's little choice. I will assist with your stress relief, if it pleases you, Lord Beerus.
Oh, it's been so long since we've sparred. This will be a treat.
And what about you? Interested? This is a rare training opportunity.
You really are trying to turn our star employee into the next god of destruction!
Perhaps. There are tough battles yet to come, right? Then the more training, the better, I would say.
Whis doesn't hand out offers to fight just willy-nilly. You'd better take him up on this.
First, I should find a more suitable location. I shall summon you once it's adequately prepared.